Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is an exceptionally clean, beautiful 2019 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. So what we'll do, we'll kind of start on the profile here, point out some of the cool features, some of the options. I particularly like this particular color scheme. Nice and clean, very sporty with the boot stripe, same color as the top. As you can see up front, we do have our windlass right here with stainless steel anchor. This one does have the optional docking lights right here. And Sea Ray, of course, is known for quality, hull design, fit and finish, and the 290 SDX is a good example. Very, very popular boat, great day boat, great family boat. That's kind of what the boat was designed for, to give you a tremendous amount of room all the way around. So if you've got more friends, lots of family, or just want a bigger boat with a nicer ride, the 29 kind of fits the bill. For our power, we've got the 250 Verados right here. These are going to be joystick piloting as well, which I'll get into in just a little bit. But these are the white Verados, so that is an upgrade. These are a little bit easier to maintain than the black ones. You can see the boat's in excellent condition. For a 2019, she shows very well, about 196 hours on the motors. These were just serviced by MarineMax in Venice, February of 24, which is right now. Full B service, oils, filters, plugs, thermostat, water pumps, the whole 9 yards. So come on inside and I'll show you some of the cool stuff. So in the back, we have a beautiful lounger right here. And everything's easy to get to. So if you've got water toys or anything like that, or towels, all you do is flip this button right here and everything goes inside there. This closes down nice and easily. You can have this in the up position or the down position, depending on what you want. In the up position, it gives you a little bit more support for your legs. Now, they do make this model with the loungers back here. Most people like this particular layout a little bit better. We do have flooring. This is the infinity woven flooring right here. Mocha interior, very, very sharp all the way around. Once again, tremendous amount of room everywhere for entertaining family and friends, and tons of storage. So we've got our batteries in here, 3 battery setup, our battery chargers in there. And with the outboards, you've got a lot more room in the back of the boat. This is what most people like about it. Tons and tons and tons of space, because you don't have this wasted with engines. Dedicated spot for your dock lines. I've got the life jackets and stuff in there. But if you carry a bunch of stuff with you, this is nice because it kind of keeps it out of your way. Then we have more storage right here. And then we have our ski lockers, 2 of them on this boat. Now currently I have the mooring cover in here, but lots of room in your ski lockers. And fully enclosed head. So this is going to be your porcelain head right here, vacuum flush, has overboard discharge, dockside discharge, quite a bit of headroom inside there. And this one also has the head upgrade feature, a little bit nicer stuff inside. Very comfortable for your driver and your co-captain here. These are flip-up seats, work out really nice. So here at the dash, this is the good stuff. So we've got digital throttle and shift right here for our Verados. This is our joystick piloting. So if you want the boat to go this way, push it this way, that way, spin to the left, spin to the right. And incorporating that is going to be your autopilot and also skyhook. So if you're just waiting, getting your dock lines together or something like that, that's our VHF radio, sorry. You can just push this button right here and it'll keep the boat still until you're ready to, move forward with it. Simrad 12-inch GPS, Fusion stereo. The owner did an upgrade on the amps as well as the speakers. They're all JL audio. He also put automatic trim tabs on here, and of course what you just heard was the ICOM VHF radio. So as we go up front, once again, lots of seating up here, lots of storage. This is the windlass that we talked about before, that you can raise and lower the anchor. Stainless steel upgrade. You also have a freshwater shower up here. But all in all, for 2019, the boat's in very, very nice condition. Shows well. It's been serviced and maintained by MarineMax. So you'll also find the boat on Boat Trader, MarineMax.com, and Yacht World. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm the listing broker. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3399. 3345. Thank you for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.